But I love the simplicity of the system and really the change in mindset, which is really so, 80 to 90% of it, getting away from that all or nothing brand of thinking and really being able to chunk things down, do things in manageable pieces of time and really rest in between, there truly is a place for everything. I really didn't really believe that coming into this. I thought, I really don't know what to do this. No one's going to know what to do with this. But everything really truly has its place. And energetically, which is how I love to look at things, it's lifted 10 tons of bricks out of my office, out of my body, out of my nervous system. And so I just can't wait to see what's going to fill that space. I'm really excited about that. And I love the instructors. All 3 of you were amazing. I got beautiful golden nuggets from each one of you. You complement each other so well. And Ed's is just such an angel that is just orchestrating. You can really feel her with us too. So just beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.